Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question: x minus 10 divide x minus 2 plus x minus 9 divide x minus 3 plus x minus 8 divide x minus 4 plus x minus 7 divide x minus 5 equals to minus 4. Find x. Let's start. Here is 4 fraction. In first step we will not change anything. It means x minus 10 divide x minus 2 plus x minus 9 divide x minus 3 plus x minus 8 divide x minus 4 plus x minus 7 divide x minus 5, but this minus 4 we can write plus 4 equals to 0. Now these 4 we can distribute like this: x minus 10 divide x minus 2 plus 1 plus x minus 9 divide x minus 3 plus 1 plus x minus 8 divide x minus 4 plus 1 plus x minus 7 divide x minus 4 plus 1. What does mean? It means here is plus 1, 1, 1, 1 and it will become plus 4. Okay. Now we can make LCM each fraction, like here is x minus 2, then we can write x minus 10 plus x minus 2. Okay. Again, now this one x minus 3, so here is x minus 9 plus x minus 3. Now third one x minus 4, so here is x minus 8 plus x minus 4. Now fourth one x minus 4, here is x minus 7 plus x minus 4, here is equals to 0. Okay. Now look, in denominator x minus 2, but in numerator look, x plus x, it will become 2x minus 10 minus 2, it will become minus 12 plus x minus 3, so this one also become 2x minus 12 plus here is x minus 4 and this one also 2x minus 12, similar 2x minus look, here is one mistake I happened, which is here is x minus 5, so here is 5, this one is 5, this one is 5 and here is also x minus 5 plus what, here is this one is 5, so 2x minus 12 and it's equals to 0. Now look, everywhere is 2x minus 12, right? So we can make common 2x minus 12, right? So here is 1 divide x minus 2 plus 1 divide x minus 3 plus 1 divide x minus 4 plus 1 divide x minus 5 equals to 0, right? Now look, here is x minus 2, here is x minus 5, we can write like this: x 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 5 we can separate, and here is also x minus 3 and x minus 4. We are trying to make common things like 2 and 5 7, 3 and 4 7, so we can write 2x minus 12, right? And here is 1 divide x minus 2 plus 1 divide x minus 5 plus 1 divide x minus 3 plus 1 divide x minus 4 equals to 0. Now again we make LCM, like here is 2x minus 12, and then here we can write x minus 2 and x minus 5. So here is x minus 5 plus x minus 2, right? Plus similar here LCM is x minus 3 times x minus 4. So here is x minus 4 plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So here is 2x minus 12, and then here again 2x minus 7, right? And here is what we can write here, x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10, plus here is also same thing, 2x minus 7 divide x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals to 0. Now we can take common 2x minus 7 because in both numerator are 2x minus 7. So 2x minus 12, and we can take common 2x minus 7. So here is 1 divide x square minus 7x plus 10, and here is 1 divide x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So in this scenario we can write either 2x minus 12 equals to 0, or 2x minus 7 equals to 0, or 1 divide x square minus 7x plus 10 plus 1 divide x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0, right? So we can write 2x equals to 12. So we can divide both sides by 2. So x equals to 6. Similar, 2x equals to 7. We can divide both sides by 2. So x equals to 7 divide 2. And this one, what can we do? This one we can write we can make a LCM. So here is x square minus 7x plus 10, and then x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So here is x square minus 7x plus 12 plus x square minus 7x plus 10. So in cross multiplication, once we multiply x square minus 7x plus 10 times x square minus 7x plus 12 with 0, it will become 0. So here is x square and x square, it will become 2x square minus 14x plus 22, right? Here is 0. So we can take common 2. So here is x square minus 7x plus 11 equals to 0. From last page we turn over here. So again we can divide by 2 both sides. So x square minus, here is 7x, right? 7x. So This one is 7. X square minus 7x plus 11 equals to 0. So this one we cannot solve by a middle term factor, right? Factor. So we have to use quadratic general formula. We know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a, right? So here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to what? 11. Therefore x equals to, here is minus and b means minus 7, then plus minus b square root over b square means 7 minus 7 square, and here is minus 4, a means 1, c means 11, right? And then 2a, 2 times 1. Now look, here is minus and minus 7, minus and minus plus, so it will become 7, plus minus root over minus 7 square means 49, minus 4 times 11, it means 44, divide 2. So here is 7 plus minus 49 minus 44, it will be 5 and divide 2. So x equals to 7 plus root over 5 divide 2, or 7 minus root over 5 divide 2, right? So finally we can write in here, finally x, here is several x, therefore we can write x1 equals to 6, then x2 equals to 7 divide 2, and here we also get 2x. So x3 equals to 7 plus root over 5 divide 2, and x4 equals to 7 minus root over 5 divide 2, and this is our answer. Hope you clear this one. It's a very important and a little bit complex math based on fraction simplification of algebra. These types of math is very good for examination practice, and you should face these kinds of math in the examination hall basis of IGCSE, CBSE, CSSC grade 10, and also SAT or International Math Olympiad. So don't neglect these types of math. You should practice these types of math at home. Thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math, and don't forget share with others. Thank you.